Hey guys, I'm back with another pocket options 5-second strategy, and in this video I'll show you how you can trade binary options by using a candlestick that is not a Japanese candlestick, but instead it is a Heiken Ashi candlestick. Now this idea originally is not my own. What happened is I post regular videos on 5-second strategy in my YouTube channel, and in one video I got a comment from one of my viewer which I liked most, and I knew that this strategy is going to work instantly. So that's why I have tested that strategy properly, and then I'm going to show you in this video. I'll also show you that comment that is available in my YouTube channel after some time. So keep on watching this video, and there are something that you need to know to use this strategy to become highly profitable. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. But let me tell you, as I tell on all of my videos, no matter whichever strategy you learn either from me or from any paid course, okay, just test that strategy firstly in the demo account and then only go with the real account. Don't be like just learn a strategy and directly implement a real account. It will make you suffer heavy losses. So that's why just test that strategy properly and see if it is working for you, and if it is working then only use that strategy for yourself. So now first thing that you need to do is you need to click on this candlestick icon and then select Heiken Ashi and then select S5. This is going to be 5-second time frame of Heiken Ashi candlestick, and then timer should be 5 seconds. If this timer is not showing at here, then make sure it is not the flag at here. Okay, make this clock and then select this and select S5. And once you do this much, then if you don't know my money management strategy, then firstly invest $1, $10, $100. Okay, and if you made a loss, then invest $300. Okay, so for example, if you invest $100, then next, if you lose that $100, then trade next trade would be of $300, and then if you lose that also, then next trade will be of $900, and if you lose your whole amount, then you will stop trading for that day. And if you make profit on $100 and keep on investing $100, if you made loss on $100, then invest $300, and if you made profit on $300, then again go back to $100 and then start trading again and again and target the profit of $2,600 total. So in that way your risk to reward would be 1:2. That is, you are going to risk $1,300 to make profit of $2,600. It will maintain your profitability in short term also and in long run also. So even if you didn't understand my money management strategy, then I'll give a link of a video in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and watch that video where I've shown you live how you can do the implement that money management strategy. So now without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So let me show you that comment which I have got. So here is the comment that I have got in my this 5-second strategy video. So it says, what I figured out what work is using the Heiken Ashi candles. You want to enter one price is at the top of the wick. It works like magic. So now what he is saying exactly is, so if it is at the top of the wick, then make a trade by clicking on lower. Okay, so I tested that it works. Okay, but what I found is another thing that even works more. Okay, so this is not the channel, this is not the candlestick pattern that you are going to trade with my strategy that I'm going to show. So this also work. If it is in top, then make the lower trade, then it also work, but it is a little bit risky again. Okay, so what you need to do is, let's select any other currency pair and see. So as you can see, what happens when you select the Heiken Ashi candlestick, all the noise will be clear, and if it is uptrend, it shows uptrend. If it is downtrend, it shows downtrend. If it is up, it shows up, down, down. Now what happens is, so as you can see, it is going up. Okay, now this may be a signal to a downtrend. Then what you can do is you can click on lower and see if it goes on low. But again, here is another thing. So I made a loss, but you need to select this time frame 15 seconds in order to use this strategy. Okay, so it was a false signal, this thing happens. Okay, so that's why now next trade would be $300. So it is showing the uptrend, so let's trade by clicking on higher and see if we make profit or make loss in this also. Seems like we made a profit. So now what happened, $276 came, so my previous $100 loss is covered and $176 profit is in. So in this way, whenever you get a signal, like if it is falling down or if it is at this, so here you can see if it starts to fall from here, then you can take a trade by clicking on lower by investing $100. Okay, in this way you can use this simple strategy of Heiken Ashi. Whenever the market is at this point or this point and it is trying to reverse, from there you need to trade. Now you need to make your time frame 15 second. I made a mistake that previously. Okay, I selected 5 second, but you need to select 15 second. But if you want to trade like my friend says, whenever it is at the top of the market, then make sure this is the 5 second selected, and if it is fully down, then take on higher trade. Okay, so guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you got some value from this video, and if it was, then please do like this video. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.